Get ready, Mac fans, because Apple's next hardware wave may have just been exposed, and it's shaping up to be one of the company's most aggressive upgrade cycles in years. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. According to a new leak tied to the development timeline of Mac OS Dahoi 26, Apple is preparing a full slate of M5-powered Macs that will roll out across late 2025 and into 2026, and it all starts with a long-rumored M5 MacBook Pro. That model is expected to launch quietly, likely as a modest refresh of the current M4 MacBook Pro, but things will get better in early 2026 when the 13 and 15-inch MacBook Air models get their M5 moment. These slim, fanless machines are set to debut alongside Mac OS Dahoi 26.2, just as the M4 MacBook Air launched with Sequoia 15.3 earlier this year. After that, the high-end M5 Pro and M5 Max MacBook Pros will complete the M5 notebook lineup, bringing more muscle to Apple's portable machines. But Apple isn't stopping at laptops. Middle of 2026 is when things heat up for desktop users. The Mac Mini and Mac Studio, who were both waiting for an upgrade, are expected to return with M5 and possibly M5 Ultra chips. A new iMac is also rumored, though sources say it's less certain. The last Mac Studio upgrade came in March 2025 with the M3 Ultra chip, so the timeline checks out. And let's not forget, all of this is happening alongside other major Apple drops, like the new iPad Pros and the mysterious iPhone 17e. If these leaks are true, then Apple's going all in on M5 silicone, and 2026 could be the year Mac finally gets its most powerful lineup yet. Are you a Mac user waiting for the M5 magic? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.